Assalamu alaikum. Pakistani chicken karahi recipe. Subscribe my channel. Let's start making. Tomato, ginger garlic green chili. Blend and make the paste. All chicken, zira, black pepper, add paste, add spices, yogurt, Pakistani chicken karahi recipe is ready. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. Like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.